Hello, friends! Are you ready to see my belongings? Let's go. This is my brush. Did you see my bag? Friends, look at my bottle! I like this clip a lot. I save my money in this piggy bank. I love playing with these toys. Wow, this is my comb. This hair oil is my favorite. Friends, be careful while using scissors. How is my watch? I love reading this book. This soap smells so sweet. I write my notes in this copy. Make sure to trim your nails. This is my toothpaste. Hello, friends. This is my personal diary. Do I look good with glasses? Always keep a handkerchief in your pocket. Cotton swabs help to clean my ears.